How to verify your profile on the Western Union app using UAE PASS. Open the Western Union app and log in. Select the UAE PASS tab from the top and tap Continue with UAE PASS. Tap Continue to open the UAE PASS app. If you have installed the UAE PASS app on the same device, it will be opened automatically. Tap Confirm. If you have installed the UAE PASS app on a different device, log in using your credentials and open the notification received on the device on which you've installed the app. Enter your UAE PASS PIN or use your fingerprint or Face ID. You will be redirected to the Western Union app. If your profile is not verified or has expired, you will be redirected back to the UAE PASS app to share your Emirates ID. Tap Allow to share the details with Western Union. Once again, enter your UAE PASS PIN or use your fingerprint or Face ID. Kindly wait for the data to be shared with Western Union. Once the data is shared, you will be redirected back to the Western Union app, which will be showing a progress screen for a few seconds. Then you will be requested to provide a few more details. Enter the necessary information and tap Continue. Your profile has now been successfully verified. You can start sending money online right away. So, ready to get started? Verify your profile on the Western Union app today.